Yo, what is up? It's your boy, Chava28. Oh, that slap of the chest. Back again with another stupid little issue to fix with Unreal Engine 5. So, I have this issue. Mine's not as crazy as this one. But basically, sometimes when you move from level to level, or you could literally just plop an asset into an area, things will unload. Luckily, as this person says here, you can close and open certain maps, load and unload things, or there's even loading the cell on your world partition, which mine just completely disappeared. I think I must have clicked and held and it's now gone somewhere. Yeah, or apparently you can load and load regions, and it will load these unloaded textures in, as you can see here on the right hand side in my outliner. But certain objects that doesn't work for, and you can't just press delete. And people say, hey, if you pin it, it will fix it. You can pin it, you can close it, you can come back in, and it's still pinned, but it's still unloaded. By the way, I have a terrible cold. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of unloaded things that will not delete. There is a lot of conflicting information online how to fix this. I hope they fix this in future updates. But they just say, hey, just drop a brand new nav mesh in and it will load the old ones. It does not. It just creates more unloaded nav mesh. If you ever have this issue, it works with assets as well. The only issue is if you place an asset in your world and you adjust it and blueprints and all that shit, if you have to delete it, you are going to lose all that progress. But here's just a quick way of how to delete something that you can't fucking delete. You can't just hide it. There is just you can just click the cog and hide unloaded actors. Go over to your unloaded asset or nav mesh, whatever. Copy actor file path. Bang. Then we're gonna open our file explorer. We're going to go here. We're going to do Control V to paste this in. If I now press enter, it's not going to do anything. Oh, no, it's going to try and open it, right? So we just paste that in. And then we just want to delete all of this. So keep going. Keep deleting until we hit here. If I now press enter, it will now bring up this file. Just for safety's sake, paste it again, but don't press anything, just so you can confirm this is the correct file. Because if you have, there's no reason there will be multiple files in this folder, but just in case there is, because there's a chance there could be. Everything weird happens in game development. Sorry. Yeah, so just to be safe, paste it again, just so you can check the letters Q, C, T, W, F, N, Y, J, 9, M, O, W, U, 070, F, whatever, blah, 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 blah. So here we have two undeletable nav meshes. All I can do is move to, doesn't work. As you see, nothing comes up. Click on it, nothing works. I can pin it, doesn't do shit. Source control, absolutely nothing. Edit, can't click anything. So we can now go here, bing, bong, it's gone. Just to show that it definitely works, we'll do both. I've kept these here for so long just to make this video. Alright, oh no, I did it again. Alright, yep, paste it. And then we're just gonna click next to the thing. So the whole name plus .uasset. Oh, you fucking idiot, me. Delete. Right, there's still just one in the folder. Paste it again. Bong. Okay. Q, O, bam, 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 bam. Check they all line up. Yep. The chances of it being wrong and deleting something different is very small. As long as you check using this little safety strat, you'll be fine. Right, now they have both been deleted. Let's close that. They both still show here. So if we, this is just a test folder, by the way. So if we now close this, we now open it, and we'll be right back. But I still have my original nav mesh and my nav mesh data. There's the nav mesh bounds volume and the recast nav mesh, the one I already had. Scroll to the bottom and they're gone. We click here just to make sure I haven't done any tomfoolery Unhidden actors, this not hidden, I didn't hide them. You literally just have to find the folder where it belongs, and you can just post it into your file explorer and delete it. And there you go. That is how you get rid of unloaded assets that you can't delete, you can't move, and they're just annoying. They shouldn't cause any issues keeping them in your outliner, but it's just really annoying to have something there and you're like, for God's sakes. And then you can't delete it, so you make it again, and then there's a possibility you can make it again and it's going to unload again. So it's best to just delete it and try again. But anyway, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.